everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to another day in my 2022 holiday card series, Doodlebug. Can you guess? We're doing Doodlebug. So in today's video, we are making two cards that are just about exactly the same. One has a little pupper and the other one has a little kitty. So yeah, I'm going to walk you through making both of those. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. I am uploading a new video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All holiday until Christmas Day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in that. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at TheJollyFatElf. So yeah, these turned out so cute. Like cute enough that I may end up keeping them for myself. We'll see. We'll see. Any of the holiday card series or any of the holiday cards that you've seen are available in my Etsy shop or were available in my Etsy shop, depending if they sold out or not. I'm trying to update that and keep it going as much as I can. But yeah, so let's head over to the craft table and I'll walk you through these two quick and fun cards. Alright friends, in today's video we are making two cards that are actually going to come together really quickly. I decided to go ahead and make the exact same bases and then we are just going to change up the cute little images. So I am using this pattern paper from Doodlebug, and again I'm going to make these the exact same, and I decided to go ahead and bring in more pink. So I'm going to bring in the Ho 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 pink paper. I believe this is the one that's from Photo Play. So I'm using my Pink and Main rectangle dies to cut all of this out, and then we're going to assemble it. So these are more cards from Doodlebug. Duh, right, Misty? So they actually came together really quickly. So as of today, October the 2nd, as I'm doing this voiceover, the kitty card has sold, but the pup card is still available if you're interested. I am adding cards kind of every other day, so be on the lookout. The link to my Etsy shop is in the description box down below. Basically shipping same, sometimes next day. We get them out pretty quickly. So I went ahead and added the layers to a piece of pink paper that measured 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I've put those on green bases that measure 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 squared at 4 1/4. And then I just adhered all of this to that using some tape runner. I'm kind of cleaning up where some of the adhesive came out. But I went ahead and put some Scotch adhesive foam mount strips on the back of the pink paper so I can have that popped up a bit. And then we're going to go ahead and put the images down flat, but they are going to hang off a little bit. So the one... I mentioned before how much I love the Doodlebugs, but one thing I really love is they give you some of these, they give you several of the same thing, like the presents you get a ton of. There's always a few Christmas trees, or there has been a few Christmas trees. So I was able to make these really cute kind of a set of cards using basically the same products. It's just a little different with the images. So, and I love both of them. I would love a dog, but we've got Roxy and I think that's enough. She's needy enough as it is, let me tell you. I love her to death, but she's a little bit needy. She's a little needy. So anyway, once I get all of these adhered, I'm going to go ahead and bring in some Nouveau Shimmer Pen, and that's going to be it. I did pop up the cat and the dog, and then each of them have a present that is in the front. And then I had this little mouse, and I thought maybe I would attach it, and I didn't. So I'm using a Nouveau Shimmer Pen to go over the ornaments and the star on the tree just to give it a little bit of interest. You could also go over it with Nouveau Drops. I did not do that, but that would have been pretty too. So that's it. Quick, simple, easy. Absolutely love them. And as I mentioned, I'm doing this voiceover on the 2nd. So the dog card is available. The kitty card has sold, but there are more cards in the Etsy shop. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already. Have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you this weekend for a planner video. Bye for now.